The SPDR portfolio long-term corporate bond ETF, SPLB, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that seeks to provide investment results that, before fees and expenses, correspond generally to the total return performance of the Bloomberg Barclays U.S. Corporate Long Bond Index. The fund invests in a portfolio of long-term corporate bonds that are included in the index. One of the main advantages of investing in an ETF like SPLB is the diversification it offers. By investing in a portfolio of corporate bonds, rather than a single bond, investors are able to spread their risk across a variety of bonds and issuers. This can help to mitigate the impact of default or credit risk on the overall portfolio. Another advantage of investing in an ETF like SPLB is the liquidity it offers. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges, which means that they can be bought and sold just like stocks. This can make it easier for investors to enter or exit a position in the ETF, as opposed to buying or selling individual bonds, which can be more difficult and time-consuming. The fund has an expense ratio of 0.04%, which is very low, and it has a moderate level of credit risk. The fund has holdings of U.S. corporate bonds with an average maturity of around 20 years, and the top 10 holdings account for around 14% of the total assets. The fund is well diversified, with the top 20 holdings accounting for around 25% of the assets. The fund has performed well in the past, but as with any investment, past performance is not indicative of future results. It is important to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. In summary, the SPDR Portfolio Long-Term Corporate Bond ETF, SPLB, is a good option for investors looking for a low-cost, diversified way to invest in long-term corporate bonds. It offers the benefits of diversification and liquidity, and has a relatively low expense ratio. However, as with any investment, it is important to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions.